Hello, everybody. My name is Rick McCutcheon. I'm a Dynamics 365 MVP, and I'm here with my friend Neil Benson, another Dynamics 365 MVP. And we're going to talk to you about Neil's online courses and what he's got up his sleeve, even though he's got short sleeves on today. I'm sure he has a lot of things coming in the online learning world for Dynamics. So, Neil, tell us who you are, what you do, and about your courses.
Hi, Rick. Well, great to see you. I thought I wasn't going to get to see you again until MVP Summit. So thanks for reaching out and giving me the opportunity to catch up with you. It's great. Hi, everybody. My name is Neil Benson. I'm a business applications MVP. I live in Brisbane, Australia. I'm originally from Ireland. I lived in Scotland, then I lived in California before coming to Australia. So that's why my accent is pretty messed up. I've been part of the award program for about 10 years. I've been implementing Dynamics 365 and CRM before that for about 10 years, and about 20 years altogether in business applications. So I've been doing this for a little while.
Okay, great. Now, I think it was early last year, you started delivering these online training courses around, I called it project management, but it's really around the development of applications on our sort of Dynamics foundation. So tell us a little bit, what you built and why you built it.
Right. Well, let's go back to about 2008, whenever I delivered a project using the SureStep methodology. I was working alongside Microsoft Consulting Services, and SureStep was a new thing back then. I think we were one of the early projects to adopt it. And I had been on a mission for 10 years to try and write the perfect requirements specification. So I was really excited to see all these templates and a formulaic process for delivering requirement specifications, and then a design document at the end of that.
And I felt the same way when I first looked at it.
Yeah, that project didn't really go so well. We had to run the analysis phase a couple of times before the client was happy, and had another project the year after that. And this client wanted to look at the software every couple of weeks. She didn't want to wait 18 months to see the finished version. She wanted to give input along the way. I thought, well, that sounds like an Agile approach. I don't really know much about Agile. So I partnered up with another Microsoft partner who was an expert in Scrum. And we went on this project with Scrum, and it was amazing. A lot more fun, and we delivered a lot better results. So I haven't looked back. That was 2008, and I've run all my projects with Scrum since then.
So fast forward to 220.
Yeah.
You've got this online course built out for this for Scrum, correct?
Yep. So I wanted to share with everybody how to adopt an Agile approach that could really slash your project budgets, shrink your timelines, and give you a lot more fun delivering really business applications that everyone will love. So I produced a course called Scrum for Microsoft Business Applications. So that's the basic Scrum course, and it prepares you for scrum.org Professional Scrum Master 1 certification. So that's a course. It takes about 8 hours to get through, and you're ready to take that exam. And then I've got a precursor course to that. If you're brand new to Agile and you don't know anything about Agile software development, then there's an Agile Foundations course. And it'll teach you a little bit about the history and the principles and the benefits of using an Agile approach, specifically for Microsoft Business Applications, because there's other courses out there, but I want to show you how to use it for Power Apps, Power Automate, Dynamics 365, and so on.
So I remember last year when I took your first course, it's all online, right? So I can take it whenever I'm available. It doesn't matter what time zone I'm living in, and it seemed pretty complete. Talk a little bit about sort of how your course is built.
Yeah, so I use an online course platform called Zender. So you're absolutely right. It's all online, so you can take it at your leisure. You can start it whenever you like. Now, I might have future courses where we have a class of students come through at the same time. So those might be a little bit more restricted in terms of when you can start those. But today you can take both of those courses anytime you want. And the Agile Foundations course takes about an hour. It's a mini course, and you can come through that quite quickly. In both courses, you get a certificate of completion at the end. There's an online community for each of them, so you can interact with other students, get your questions answered. I'm in there all the time as well. We also have a LinkedIn group, and I'm always available. In fact, there's a danger that if you ask me any questions about anything you learn in the course, that you'll end up appearing on my podcast, and I'll answer it in my podcast as well.
Okay, well, I'll put all the links to the courses and the podcast, in the video notes here. talk to us about, you're building new courses. Talk up to us about what you're going to be building, what's going to be coming out later this year, and anything you see in the future for this sort of online learning world.
So, I mean, online learning is huge. We've got big sites like Pluralsight and LinkedIn Learning. We've got, at the other end of the market, there's people like Udemy. I wanted to build my own, well, it's not my own course platform, but I'm in control of the course platform because I really want to have that direct interaction with my students. And the feedback I'm getting from them is planning and pitching Agile projects to clients, if you're a Microsoft partner, can still be a challenge. So we're going to have a course on user story maps and how you can use those to really quickly figure out the scope, the timeline, the cost, and the resources of a business applications project. It takes a couple of hours, maybe a couple of days, not a whole analysis and design phase of a project, which maybe takes months. So that course is going to be next. And then after that, one's diving deeper into user stories, which are a great way of capturing the essence of a requirement and how you estimate stories and split them and merge them and describe your acceptance criteria so that you can really hone in on what it is that your users want you to build and deliver them something that they will love.
So your courses are available for Microsoft partners or end user customers who do their own development, correct?
Yeah, it's about my students today. It's almost 50-50. It's about 40% Microsoft customers and about 60% Microsoft partners. And there's a team edition as well. So if you've got 10 people in your team, you want to sign up, you can come together as a team and sign up. So those are the two offers.
Okay, outstanding, Neil. Thanks for your time. I'm going to see you in a couple of weeks when we all get together in Redmond for the Dynamics MVP Summit, and look forward to seeing more of your courses and your graduates graduating, because you post that on LinkedIn. So thanks.
Yeah, they're all over LinkedIn. That's right. Thanks, Rick. It's great to catch up with you. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.